Best PC trick. Get complete computer information in one shortcut only. So just type window plus R and here type msinfo32. So this is the shortcut command with the help of which you can get the complete computer information in one shortcut only. So let's run this command and you can see the complete computer information, operating system, you can see the RAM, total memory, virtual memory, page file space. So you can see the complete information, even you can see the processor, system type, model, system manufacturer. Every type of information is available with the help of this one command only. And even you can see the information of all the softwares, all the environment variables. You can get the information, you can get the information regarding hardware resources. So every type of information is available with the help of this command that you can try, and it's very important trick. And even you can get the information of any of the hardware with the help of this one command. Thank you.